Hi, welcome to Module 1, Lesson 2. In the last lesson, we learned the difference between a population and a sample, and how a sample statistic can help us to make an inference about the population parameter. How we actually make that inference is what we'll be talking about later on in the course. However, right now in Module 1, Lesson 2, what we need to do is, once we get the data, how do we classify the data? To classify the data, the first thing that we need to do is we need to learn the two types of data. The two types of data are either qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative data can also be separated into two different categories, nominal and ordinal, while quantitative data can be separated into either interval or ratio. In the following video, you'll be learning how to separate and understand the difference between these different types of measurements and levels of measurements. I hope you enjoy the video.